Outtakes, it's Anthony Rose. You guys have asked for it, so we're doing more two-step for you guys today. We really like this pattern. It's kind of intermediate to advanced. It's a little bit trickier than some of the other stuff, so we're going to break it down as best we can. Hopefully you guys will all be able to do this on the dance floor this weekend. Now, if you're brand new here at the channel, we post all of the country dances from two-step, West Coast swing, waltz, all of this stuff. But you can notice this little button down here, and it says subscribe.
Click it.
Now, if you click that button, then you become an X-Dancer, and you'll know when all the awesome stuff happens here on the channel. So we're going to demonstrate the pattern, and then we'll break it down. All right, guys, we're going to demonstrate this for you, but keep in mind, like, there's no name that we have for this thing we're doing, because we just, like, made this up right before we taught, but we'll demonstrate what we have for you today. All right, guys, we're gonna break this down one piece at a time. Now, a lot of the stuff that's in here, we've done in other videos. We're not gonna break down every little detail. We are gonna break down the things that are unique to this pattern. And they're probably just by looking at it, there's some things you probably can't even see without us talking about it. The hands, where the hands are going, how you're connecting, all this stuff. So we really need to break those things down. But again, if you're watching this, trying to learn this pattern, you're a beginner, like don't. I mean, this is not a beginner pattern, but pretty cool nonetheless. So the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna start in a promenade position. We're gonna give her a left turn, but we're gonna actually give it with the opposite hand. I'm gonna show you this close up, but we're gonna start with quick, slow. We're gonna prep her for that second slow. Then we're gonna be leading her for that left turn, but we're leading her with that arm, and then we're gonna come down and go to a palm to palm here. Let me show you that part close up. All right, so basically from a promenade, I'm in this basic position with my hand is on her shoulder blade. I'm gonna be leading her for that turn, not with my hand, not with my left hand, but with my wrist on my right arm, the one that's on her back. So basically, as she starts to turn, I start taking my wrist and tracing along those arms. I bring it up over her head till I get around to her hand, and then at that point, I'm going to bring it into a palm to palm as I receive that opposite hand. It is very important we also receive this hand, because if I don't, she's not gonna know that she should stop turning. So if we do that again, I have my left hand, the one in the front, but I release that. I lead her with my right arm. I basically present the left hand until I can get into this palm to palm hold. So we lead her for quick, slow, two hands, four, slow. Now we're taking that right hand over her head, but then I'm gonna continue that turn with a hand down so it comes over her head. I keep it down until I can get into this position. Now, if you wanna know the technical degree of turn here, she is doing 2 1/8. Okay, this is a math class. But if she is facing backwards down the line of dance here, if she did 2 turns that she would end up facing backwards, she's gonna do 1 more eighth than that. So she's gonna have half, 5/8. Watch this, okay? So the hand comes over her head, that is half, I keep her turning for half, and then 5/8. Okay, so at that point, her body should be basically facing the corner if she were standing in the center of a square room. I'm gonna lead it over her head, but then lead it again to keep that moving, and then ask for the hand as we land into that hammerlock. So if we do that again from here, it is half, 5/8, okay?
And followers, make sure to keep that elbow up like always, because he's gonna grab that right hand.
Guard the girls is basically what she's saying. Okay, now leaders, you've got to work your way from behind her to basically getting up around in front of her for the next thing. We're setting up for the next part. So if you notice, when I'm in this position, I'm kind of behind her. I've got to work my way up so that I can get into this position and end up past her. Now, if I'm behind her, that next movement is going to be difficult. As soon as that hand presents itself, I'm basically going to be asking for it. Now, I am facing inside. She's over-rotated. She's not facing me like we normally would in a weave pattern, but more other than that, her footwork is the same as an outside weave. There's a link if you want to learn the outside weave. So if we start that from the beginning, we start in that promenade and we dance quick, slow, prep for the second slow. It is over with the arm, quick, slow, stop sign. And then we have, I'm getting around her for quick, slow. Now notice my foot is stepping forward. A lot of times in a weave, I would hook that foot behind, but my right foot is forward, and the reason why I want to do that is because the next thing, we're just basically going to be walking around, okay? So let me show you that close up. All right, guys, if you missed it last week, we asked you guys a question. We're going to ask you that question again. Where are you located, and are the dance halls near you open? We're trying to plan out our travel plans for this year. And we want to know where the places to go, where we can go and do a workshop and also go dancing. So comment down below. Let us know where you guys are at and how the dance community is doing where you are. All right, so it's going to come over top of the head. Then I bring the hand down, but she continues. Notice that breaks behind her back, and then I ask for that hand. So I'm taking the hand up, and then it kind of has a moment where it turns over to end up in that hammerlock. So if we show you that one more time, that is quick, quick breaks, slow as I work my way around her. So we've gotten in this hammerlock position. Once we've gotten there, we're just walking around. There's a pivotal point in between us and we're just kind of circling around it for that first quick, slow. But she's walking forward, I'm walking forward for quick, slow. At this point, she should be facing down the line of dance. She's gonna step forward again for that second slow as I move with her and I'm basically facing her by stepping to the side. So if you watch this one more time from this position, we've got quick, slow, slow, and now we have quick, slow. I bring the hand up and step to the side for slow. That hand up is important because I place it into that halo around her head so that I can turn her for quick, slow. She's on the inside, I'm on the outside. Then I'm gonna turn underneath for slow. She's now facing down the line of dance. She continues to walk as I turn under for quick, I step forward for slow, and then I'm gonna turn her in between those two slows as I step back. I know that doesn't make any sense. So let me show you that again.
Translation, please.
So we're in this position. I'm stepping forward, she's stepping forward. We're walking around for quick, slow. I move with her for slow. I'm basically turning her over her head for quick, slow. I step underneath for slow. She's facing down the line of dance. She continues to walk as I step quick, slow, and then I turn her for slow. Now that she's got this motion for the turn, I'm going to continue that through as I'm on the outside right now. I've got to work my way into the inside. As she continues to turn, I ask for that hand and we go into this wrap or cradle position. Let me show you that from this side. So if we're here, we have quick, slow, quick, slow. I go underneath for slow. I keep turning quick, forward, back. I work my way around her for quick, slow, over top. Now I'm gonna let her pass as I step in place for quick, continue,
Voila.
slow. All right, let's show you this the whole way through. So we start in this promenade position and we have quick, slow, prep. It's gonna come over top with the arm, quick, slow, palm to palm, slow. I'm going into that hammerlock for quick, slow, working my way around her, quick, slow, bring the hand up, step with her for slow, over the top, quick, slow, I go underneath, slow, continue to turn, quick, step forward, step back, over top, ask for that hand, slow, and then the final spin, and then you do a backflip and
Go.
the lift from Dirty Dancing or whatever. Let's show you a couple of these things close up real quick. So walk her forward for quick, slow. We prep her for slow. Now I'm gonna use that arm, using my wrist. Quick, slow. I ask for the other hand, that's a stop sign. Now I'm gonna release that hand, bring it over the head for quick. I'm working my way around as it crosses behind her back.
Follower presenting your hand here.
Yes, make it available, please. I don't want to try to grab things, because if I grab other things, it's your fault. We're using that pivotal point for quick, slow, bring the hand up, slow. I'm facing her, she's facing down the line of dance, turning around that halo, quick, slow. I'm going underneath between those two slows. I continue that rotation for quick, hand forward, step back, that creates a rotation. From here, halo over the head, quick, ask for the hand for slow, over top for slow. Leader, stay where you are, send her out, quick, and slow. Guys, what we want to do is we want to show you this to music a few times.
Yes.
There's a lot going on here. And by the way, when you guys practice this, don't practice it or learn it to music. Do it without music first, then try it to slow music and work your way up to full speed. Don't just pull this on the dance floor until you're comfortable doing this repeatedly.
And film it and send it to us.
We'll demonstrate this to music. We appreciate you guys being here. We want to know what you guys think. Again, comment down below. Let us know where you guys are at and watching from, and are the dance halls open, because we really want to try to plan this tour as soon as possible so we can get out and meet you guys and dance at different places across the country. We appreciate you guys, and we'll see you guys next time. Itchy.
Were you trying to? Oh.
Know how the dance community where you are.
We're truly curious.
I'm really curious as to what I'm supposed to say right now.
Like George.
George? Oh, curious like I got it.
Sorry, it was above your level. Okay.
Why am I so itchy?
What'd you say? Did you say why my ass is so itchy?
No, I said, why am I so itchy? Are you calling,
I was like, oh
are you
my
calling
God,
me an ass?
the audacity is palpable.
Do this right now. Click on that link right there. That is xdance.com. That is the world's first interactive virtual dance training technology. Check that out. You get a free trial. You're going to love that. If not, if you'd like to watch another video here on YouTube, click that one. That one's pretty good too.